Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a good day. So today's video is brought to you by Matthew. He left a question. He wanted to know, how do you wire a 16 light vanity or 16 socket vanity? How he would wire that, I guess. How he would create a 16 socket vanity with a plug at the end. So I'm going to give you a few different ways to do that. I'm not sure I fully understand what you mean, whether this is coming off of a light switch or you're just gonna use something like this device right here and then just plug it into the wall. Because if you plug into the wall just like this and wire the lights to the 3 tips like this, it's not going to be able to be switched. So I don't know, that kind of determines some things. But he wanted to know like how to make this with THHN wire and what colors to use and all that good stuff. So right off the bat, I'm just kind of concerned that you're not going to be too familiar with what's going on. So if you do something wrong, something bad might happen, or you might hurt yourself or cause a fire. I don't know. But if you don't know what colors ground, hot, neutral are, it's kind of a little concerning to me. But I'm going to give you the best explanation I can, and you can create this on your own terms. So that's on you. But anyways, you got your green wires, your ground, and I don't really have any whites, but just assume that the space in between is the white wire. So you got a green, white, and the black is the hot, the power, and then the white is going to be your neutral. So you're going to have a green, white, and black going from every single one of them tied together. So the first one's going to have, well, I guess they're all going to have 2, one in and one out. So just tying from one light to the next. It's called daisy chaining. So you're going to be taking the 3 wires, your ground, hot, neutral, going in and out on each light until you get to the very end. And if you want to put the plug wherever, you can just, I just drew it sort of at the end, just if you want to put it there, but just depending on where you put it, you just tie those 3 wires into wherever, so you could have it come off of this part right here, but it's all going to be the same. So anyways, so I drew that, and this is going back to the power source. So either this is going into a socket or a box in the wall, or I also drew like a switch scenario. So you got your switch leg. I would just say switch leg is going to be black in this case, just for demonstration purposes. And then you're going to need a constant power for the plug-in, unless you want that switched, or if you're just plugging that into the wall, then it'll always be on. So if you're just plugging it into the wall, then you just need you don't need the red. But so yeah, if you're plugging into the wall, you just need your black, white, and green. So just like this would you just fine if you just tied all the lights in. I can't really see the colors here, but if you just tied these in, your grounds here, and then did the design going from each light to each light, then that would work for you if you just want to use the plug-in application. But if you're doing it from the wall, and if you want it to use a light switch, then you're going to need a constant power if you want the plug-in to be on at all times. But if you just want it to be on when the switch is on, then just do the same design, the black, white, and green. So anyways, hopefully that makes sense. So I'm just saying that the black is the switch leg in this case, red is constant power, white is still your white, your neutral, and green is your ground. So that's kind of how you do that, and I'll also show you the kind of design that I'm going for or whatnot. So anyways, this isn't working the way I want it to. So if you have, depending on your light sockets, you can have just like a black and a white, and sometimes there's no ground, but most of the case, all sockets or lights have a green wire. So if you're coming out of the wall, this is kind of what it'll look like. I don't know if this is going to be like an actual, like, I don't know what exactly you're building or how it's going to look or where the power is coming from, if your wall is torn apart or not. But for the most part, you're going to have grounds coming off of fixtures and stuff. So you're going to have your green, this green or bare wire, but if it's THHN, it's going to be green. And then you're going to have your black and your white. And this is kind of just how it looks like. But in this case, you would have like one coming out of the wall and then another one going to the next light. So anyways, this is a fixture, not quite a socket design. So anyways, hopefully this makes sense as much as possible. So yeah, there is a vanity I saw somewhere. I don't know. I don't think it was on this page, but basically someone was making a vanity or something, I thought. So maybe not. Yeah, I'm not seeing it right now, but anyways, it's basically just like a square design around a light, or a square design around a mirror with like 8 or 9 lights or whatever. So I'm not sure your exact design, but hopefully this will help you out and get you where you need to go, as long as you know where the power is coming from and what you want to do exactly. That should do it. So hopefully this helped you out, Matthew, and if you guys got any other questions down below, drop a comment if you want me to go over anything. So yeah, tomorrow, all I got for tomorrow is what power tools I own as an electrician, or what power tools I use as an electrician on the job site. So if you guys want to see either one of those videos, let me know which one you want to see first, or give me a different idea down below in the comments, and if it's something good, then I'll go over it, or something you need help going over, I will do that for you as best as I can. Thanks for all the support, guys. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the new subscribers. I'm still excited about reaching 2,000 subscribers, and yeah, that'll do it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day, and don't forget to check out the description for anything else you may need, social medias, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I make a new video or go live. Thanks, guys. Peace out.